Hi guys, welcome to BAi TV. I'm your embroidery assistant, Alan. Today, I'm going to teach you how to replace the needle for your vision embroidery machine. Okay, now let's go. When the needle break happened, you need to replace a new needle. You can use a screwdriver from the toolbox and then use a flat screwdriver to lose the screw here. Twist it. Here, pay attention. Do not let the screw come out. Just keep the screw inside. And then use the pliers to grasp the broken needle. Take it out. Now, we can install the new needle. Here, you need to pay attention. The groove side of the needle should be faced to you. It is in the front, not the back. Then you can go through the hole and then use the pliers to grasp the needle and insert the needle until you cannot touch anymore. Okay, now before we use the screwdriver to fix the screw here, we need to check again whether the groove side still fits to you. Okay, now it's okay. Then I just fix the screw here. Okay, finished. Alright, that's all for today's video about how to replace a needle for your vision embroidery machine. If you like our video, please subscribe to our channel and share it. Okay, see you next time.